Ondonyo weche mag tuke ni tim mar Kenya Maramen manyocha odhi Egypt tuke mag Africa oduogo pacho kaendi. Tim no notelne kod President Maramen e pacho kaendi Anthony Karui. Tim no notieke thuolo mar ariyo tok Misri maweg pacho ka korka jok machuo jatugo ma Kenya Dan Kegode noloyo jatugo ma Egypt. Ashley Devonte to noloyo final gi nyar Misri notieke thuolo mar ariyo. Gipako sirikal kuom siro ikruok margi ni tuke go eko.
As wrestling, just to be grateful for the performance. This was a ranking tournament in Alexandria. This will help us prepare for Dakar Youth Games, where we have qualified at least 2, and especially in the beach. And we are grateful to the government for the support.
When we participate, I was number 2. My toughest match was with the Egyptians. It was so technical and strong. And by the time I lost, I was not happy.
Tulikuwa tunacheza na Egypt. Alikuwa ananipeleka mbio nikiingia pale kwa match. For the first time when niliingia hapo juu nilikuwa na joko niko kwao. Nilikuwa nastuka, nilikuwa natetemeka, but all in all nikamshinda. Game next, bora tu nimetrain vizuri. Hapo tu tunapigana vita hapo, hata kata kunchika bora tu tutoke na medali.